You can see it's shining. No. Hi guys, this is Christy and welcome to my YouTube channel Blending Stories. Today I'm going to review Nature Essence facial kits. So I got 5 facial kits from Nature Essence and I'm going to review these 5 products one by one. So the first product I have from Nature's Essence is the Glowing Gold Facial Kit. You can see. So I'm going to show you. This is the package and this is the pre-facial kit, and I haven't just used this. See. I'm going to use this in all over my face, and after that I'm going to apply the different types of facial kits in my both sides. So you can see it's done, and I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes. After that I'm going to apply the facial kits. So it's dry now and I'm going to clean this up. You can use water instead of this. I'm cleaning this with this tissue, but you can use water to clean it up. It's done and I'm going to use this now. You can see the texture. I'm going to apply this in one side of my face. And the second product I have this one, the Brightening Diamond Facial Kit. So this one I'm going to use also. And I'm going to apply this on my other side. This golden one has some scrubbing texture, but the diamond one has totally the creamy texture. And again I'm going to wait for 10 minutes. You can see it's shining. No. So I am so impressed. I am so impressed with this golden facial kit. I don't know what will be the result, but I really like this facial kit, this scrubbing mask that glowing so much. So let's wait for the result. So after 10 minutes I just wash it off, and you have to wash it off by scrubbing your face, then it will work and it will look good. And you can see my skin after the wash. Both golden and diamond facial kits are awesome. I personally like them, and I have used the other 3 facial kit, which is this one, which is whitening pearl facial kit, and this one the flawless papaya, and the last one I have gentle fruit facial kit. I have tried all those facial kit, but the diamond and the golden was left out, and I used this product today, and I really loved Nature Essence products, and they are really so good that you can use those products before any kind of occasion you have. After using these 5 products, I will suggest you to use this facial and diamond kit, and they are awesome. And the whitening pearl is also good. You can use this, and you will feel fresh, soft, smooth. Your face will love it. You can wash it off the pre-tan therapy with the tissue, but don't try to wash the cleanser or scrubber with tissue, cause it will not work if you do that. You can scrub it off like this, and after that you can wash it off with warm water or cold water, which you will prefer. And I'm putting all those products links in my description. You can buy it, you can check it from there. I really personally suggest you to use these products. Also suggest me what types of video you guys want that I can come up with, and I can help you to find out, or I can review. So please suggest in the comment box and let me know. For further makeup video or reviews or any kind of fashion video, you can check my Instagram profile, Hi with Fashion. That's it for today, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then like, comment and share. Bye.